Hello guys, today we are going to explore the Costa Rica. It is a tropical paradise where lush rainforest meets stunning beaches, offering endless adventures in one of the most biodiverse places on earth. Known for its rich wildlife and commitment to sustainability, this vibrant country invites you to experience Pura Vida, which means a lifestyle celebrating joy, simplicity, and harmony with nature. In this place, you will got the peace and endless joy. Whether you are going to explore volcanoes, surfing world-class waves, or relaxing in natural hot springs, Costa Rica is a place where every moment feels alive with wonder. So next time you think to visit this place, then it's your top choice. So thanks and watch and enjoy the full video. Like, share